Right here, the real me. I had to make them fulfill me. I had some folks trying to kill.
What's up, YouTube? What it is, what it do, man? It's your boy Did Hard Way. Back in this thing with another video. Yeah, keep chilling, man. Take care of yourself, man. Wash your hands. Wash your face. You gotta know what I said in the last video. Wash your So, you know, you ever heard the old saying where old people said, you heard them say, well, I'm making up for my 20s and for my 20s and my 30s. You make it for your 30s and your 40s. You know what I'm saying? So that's, yeah. It's gonna be some couple of young people out there gonna have the same situation. But today, man, I'm on my way up here to Allan Samuel Direct. I had already recorded up there, but I wasn't able to post that video because due to the, I don't know, my camera was tripping that day. So it wasn't, I don't know what, I came back home and tried to play the footage that I recorded, and I couldn't get it to download. So I go back up here and reenact that. I can't get that same vibe that I got when I first time I went there. Sam Banks was the guy that originally was helping me. When I pulled up, they beat me. They was at my car, like yeah, bro, we seen you pull up, but they had a bad silver 2020 Hellcat Charger up there that I want y'all to see, and I also had a Shelby Ford F-150 with 750 horsepower up there too. So I was gonna make those two different videos, man, but I decided to just go ahead because he mentioned them. I was like, man, well, let's go ahead and put it on the blogs. We'll see what you're talking about. But so I'm gonna go back up there, man, and get that footage for y'all. But I appreciate everybody, man, for rocking with me. That's been constant, continuing rocking with me throughout the channel, throughout the growth of the channel and everything, man. I'm still learning about this YouTube stuff, man. I need to branch out and get other YouTubers, man. Other people in the videos or in my. I don't know. I don't know. It's hard for me being around a lot of people. It really is. But I ain't gonna talk y'all head off, man. I'm gonna get right into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a cold start real quick. Cold start coming. To the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, because I'm going to August 2020 and it ain't no game with me. 2021 I'm gonna step my game on 2021. 2021 is still a game. I got some things I'm really trying to take care of right now, man. Really, that's why I'm on the whole process of doing stuff, man, and doing stuff to the car because I got things I really do need to take care of. But we're gonna get right into the video, man. I'm turning my camera back on when I get there, alright? Alright, so what's up, you guys? Yeah, man, I made it up here to Allan Samuel. Allan Samuel Direct is the name of the place. So y'all looking for any kind of vehicles, Rubicons, Jeeps, trucks, man, they got, and the list goes on. They got plenty. But I'm gonna get out and show y'all what I'm talking about. All right. So as y'all can see, getting right into things. Oh man, it's my lucky day. I get out and find a quarter. Yep, found a quarter as soon as I get out. Yes sir, as y'all can see, man. So I was up here, like I said, man, and I was up here, man, and didn't get none of the footage that I had. So I ended up losing all that footage. So I had to come back up here and recreate that footage. Well, I'm not gonna be able to recreate that whole ambiance, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get a little bit. So I can see right here, man. Challenger SRT thing, 392. Scat pack on the thing, come with the sunroof and all, man. It's down here. They got a green one up in the front too. I want y'all to see. That thing cleaned up. That thing is clean. Hold on. Oh, we got a situation. All right. You all can see, man. Got the scat pack. Come with the sunroof and all, man. Now this is the spoiler I love. I like these spoilers. I don't really care for that field cap right there, but you know what I'm saying, to each his own. This is a spoiler I have. Okay, they put that spoiler on there. Whoever did, they put that spoiler on there. I can see, man, SRT right there on there. 6.4 liter. Yeah, buddy. It's 2016 also. 26,000 miles on it. You know what I'm saying? V8. Y'all see, man, clear coat. We got a young man coming out here right now. I think this is a V6 right here, to be honest. Oh, it's a GT. That says right there by itself. How you doing, my man? All right. I'm just, I was out here a couple of weeks ago. Yeah. And me and Sam, we walked a lot and everything, recording. I lost all that footage, so I got to come back, recreate. That's the. Oh, you bought that one from us? The red one? Yeah. No. I didn't get that. But I was just riding by, man. I just happened to stop and see what y'all had on y'all lot. I ain't never been out here before, so okay. I figured why not.
Oh, cool.
But I'm Dre, by the way.
Yeah, I'm Kyle.
Okay. I think I've seen you in one idea. I'm not.
Hellcat.
Okay, yeah. Was it because I believe it was mango? It was mango orange when it first got it. Okay, yeah.
Now it's been about 1,000 different colors.
But, yeah, that.
What do you think about what's got on there now?
I haven't seen it.
Crazy, I tell you.
I haven't seen it. I try not to watch too many of the YouTube videos because then you find yourself putting
imitating.
Yeah, imitating them pretty much. You know what I'm saying?
I know you mean.
Yeah. So, but yeah, he's got a lot going on. I've seen him.
You looking at some vehicles today? Or?
I'm just browsing. I'm just looking around. Yeah. I'm just out here just pretty much showing what y'all have on y'all lot, just in case anybody out there looking for new cars and you know what I'm saying, in the vicinity of trying to buy a new car, don't know what to expect right now. There's everything going on right now. I know it's a little hectic.
I got you.
But so I see y'all finally got rid of that. It was a Mustang up here.
Which one?
It was like I think a 1969 or something like that. They moved it. Okay. They moved it. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, I see the Stingray right there.
I'll tell you what you need to videotape is that wide body.
The silver one in there? It's still in there?
Well, that one, the Daytona is a special car. That's
Okay.
one of 500.
Okay, right.
So I'm talking this bad boy right here. That's my favorite color that Mopar makes.
Ooh, that wide body. Ooh, wee.
Wide body 392.
Love that spoiler, boy.
2019, so it's got the Hellcat going on it.
I love that spoiler.
Look at those wheels.
Look how wide those wheels
You
are.
can't beat those wheels.
Yeah, buddy. I see it, man. 392.
There you go, man. You need anything, let me know. You got Sam.
Okay, okay. All right, Kyle. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I see it, man. RT, man, wide body. Man, they just look. That just see. That's one thing I like about the wide bodies, man. They do hit different, and that's the guy right there. Y'all want to see, Cal Winston. That's his name. Y'all see, man. That wide body just hit different. With the sunroof, of course. Come with the sunroof, and it's open, y'all. I see, man. I could turn it on the seat. You know what I'm saying? SRT on. How many miles you got on it? 15,000 miles on it. That thing crazy. That thing crazy. I think though, I like the wide bodies though, honestly. But I think though, the price that they're asking for me is just way too much, to be honest. That's just my opinion though. You know what I'm saying? They ain't just. Come on, that's almost what? It's probably like a probably about $60,000, $70,000 car. But I see this slime RT thing right here, Charger. Got the side skirts on there, y'all see it. 2017, 34,000 miles on it. You know what I'm saying? So I see it, man. 6 piston Brembos on there. This thing was up here. This thing was up here last time. That green thing was not up here last time. This right here was up here now. That wide body was not up here last time. Y'all see the green thing on there. That thing, it look good with the sunroof. You know what I'm saying? This right here, 2016. And the Scat Pack Shaker, 25,000 miles on it. 25,000 miles on it. I love that spoiler though. Look at my baby over there. Yeah, sure. This thing right here is crushing. This thing right here is crushing though. That mango orange. Gold mango. All-time favorite Hellcat wheels right there. Yes, sir. They didn't have no paperwork on last time I was up here. 2017. 23,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? Again, man, this is Allan Samuel direct. Hope y'all can see the sun. I know the sun is out in full effect today. He ain't doing me no justice, but it's all good. You can come with the one splitters on there, man. To be honest, but for your Mustang lovers out there, for my dude Red 54 on YouTube, what you say about that, brother? What you say about this? Big boy tires on the back, 2019. Intercooler turbo. All right. I see, man. They got some heat up here. They got another 5.0 right there. Like a candy red on that. I see it, man. Green T8 and wheels. Them wheels do complement this car. I give them that. I'll give him that. I like that hood. That hood and that hood, the red eye hood, you know what I'm saying? Those two hoods. Yes, sir. Oh, there we go. They got to shine. Them things powder coated too. Them wheels are powder coated. Let's see what we're working with. 2017 Challenger TA, my bad. Don't let me disrespect it like that. I see it, man. That thing look good. That green just hit different. Something about that green and that black just hit different. I don't know what it is. That thing look good though. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show y'all this over here too. I gotta show y'all this over here too. He showed me this last time I was up here. I'm trying to make this video too long. I just want to get up here and it's all the trucks. But this over here was what I want y'all to see right here. Shelby, Ford Shelby F-150, 750 horses. You know what I'm saying? I see it, man. 750 horses. $750 horses. Yo, this thing right here, man, he done redone, if I remember correctly, he told me this truck right here been already always redone, suspension, everything. He said he done put almost at least about $8,000 into this truck. The person that traded this truck in. So I don't see why you would trade it in if you didn't put that much money into it. I ain't trading in nothing. I didn't put so much money into. Look at that kryptonite, boy. He ain't done all that. But this thing right here, man, is a monstrosity. Listen, I'm saying, let y'all see it, so y'all see it. Supercharged. 750 horsepower. You know what I'm saying? It says it right on it. Like I said, Allan Samuel Direct, 1661 Murphy Drive, Euless, Texas. Come on, man. And when you come up here, man, tell them Dre the Hard Way sent 26,000 miles on that thing. 26,000 miles on that thing. But yeah, man, that's all I wanted to do. I just want to come up here and show y'all that, man. So appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, showing me support towards the channel, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know, follow me on Instagram, man. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's your boy Dre the Hard Way, man. There's a will, there's a way. We doing the legit way now, no more ski man's way. You know what I'm saying? But just to give y'all a last little glance of that King Ranch junk, just look clean. That King Ranch junk right there clean. Yeah, man. A couple of thumbnails real quick. So, y'all interested in any one of these cars, man? Like I said, Allan Samuel Direct, 1661 Murphy Drive, Euless, Texas. Come on up here and holler at me, man. All right. So those are the cars I wanted to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, pretty much. But these are the cars where they have Lincolns, they got Camaros, they got Infinitis, they got a Jaguar over there. But come on up here, man. Rock with them, shop with them, and we're gonna keep it moving and grooving just like that, man. And I had to come up here and do that, man, because I had lost that footage. I don't know what happened, man. I think what it was though, I had already been recording too much that day, and my phone I was out of storage space, I think. Because I know that every time I was trying to record, it was kind of like getting out of the record, whatever. I don't know. But this your boy Dre the Hard Way, man. Thank y'all for rocking with me, man. Appreciate everybody that's been watching the channel, man. The growth of the channel, man. Let's just keep going up all the rest of 2020, all the way to 2021. I'm out this thing. Peace.